how to order from DHgate. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how we can easily order product from DHgate. So first, just open up your DHgate application and just you can search in for anything, any product which you want to buy. So I'll simply select this shoes over here, and you can also add to cart to buy it later. For now I'll simply tap on this buy now button over here and just click on buy now, and you can also specify your color over here, which is your product color, and choose between one piece or how many pieces you want, and you can also choose between the product with a box or no box. So I will simply choose with box and just click on buy now. You just need to make sure that you have logged into your account. So for now I'll simply choose with as a guest and just enter all of your contact information over here, and your as well as your street address, that is your shipping address. And once you do all of that, just click on save address button over here and just choose the method of your payment, whether you are using credit card or debit card, and just enter that information over there as well, and you should be successfully be able to buy that product. So that is exactly how you can easily order from the DHgate. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.